Yes, hello and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with a new video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up a VPN app and get a fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. So today I'm gonna show you on how to set up this VPN app, HTTP Injector. So the app will help you to secure your connection, add extra protection when you are online. So today I'm gonna show you on how you can set it up using its SSL TLS SSH with the direct SNI server name indication settings. These settings will help this app to work as it secures your connection and also enhance on your online activities. Additionally, the settings we are gonna share with you will help you to add extra layer of security when you are online. So to get this app, simply head over to Google Play Store, where you can search and install Android apps. In the search bar, kindly search for HTTP Injector. So install the app among the presented, you pick this one. And before using this app, please read its terms and conditions and make sure that you don't violate them. And please make sure that you read your country local laws regarding VPN usage in your country and make sure to adhere with them. Additionally, please you read your internet service provider terms and conditions regarding VPN usage in your country and make sure to adhere with them. So when you get the app, after installing it, just open it. It will take you to its home screen. So you tap on the server, like the setting types or the tunnel types, and you leave it in default. If it is not in default, just pick SSH and then the TLS SSL S tunnel as your connection method, then you save. And after saving, you are required to enter here a working SNI server name indication, which will help us to add a more secure to it will help you to add a secure layer of security. So it will add a more layer of security when you are online. So it is crucial. So if you don't have one, just open your Google Play Store, and from here you search for CoffNet. So this app is already also on Google Play Store. Before using this app, CoffNet, make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. And this app will help us to generate SNI, which will be used to set up the HTTP injector in order to achieve a fast and a secure connection, and also to get extra protection when we are online. So when you reach in the app interface, you opt for SNI generator and you tap on it. So when you tap on the SNI generator, you're required to enter here your country name. So in case you are, let's say, from Tanzania, just type in Tanzania and a list of like your country will be presented just like that. And if you are from, let's say, Zimbabwe, just type in Zimbabwe and you will see your country. And please take note that in case you choose a different country from like where you are not coming from, this SNI will not work in your country. So make sure that you pick your real country where you come from, and that's what you have to type in the search bar. So this video is just for educational purposes. So make sure that you search for your country name. For example, if you are from Zimbabwe, you search for Zimbabwe and then you pick it just like that. So after picking your country, like the app will process and generate SNIs which are available for the selected country, and you can browse along the list and pick the one which you prefer. And you can also utilize this next button. When you tap on next, this app will reveal or will show you more SNIs which will help you when you are setting up HTTP Injector to achieve a fast and a secure connection. So let's tap on the next button. So as you tap on the next button, the app gives you fresh SNI. So when you get the SNI you prefer, or you can pick any randomly, you just click on the copy button and it will be copied to your clipboard. And please open the HTTP Injector app. So this app is already on Google Play Store as communicated earlier, and the setting we are sharing with you will help you to secure your connection, add extra protection when you are online, and the SNI will help you to enhance the connection and make the connection more secure. Please you read this VPN's app, like this VPN's regulations, all the terms and conditions, and also read your country local laws regarding VPN usage and make sure that you don't violate them. So when you reach here, you tap on server name indication field, then you delete what is there and then you replace it with your country SNI, just like that, and then you leave everything here in default. Then you click on save, and when you click save, just tap on this start button. Then you choose, you pick choose server option, and you give this app a few seconds for it to load the available servers. So from here you can pick a server near to your location for fast and speed, and it must support SSH, so you can locate the SSH numbering on the servers. So for example, let's pick the Poland. So you just tap beside the server and then it will reveal the available servers. So you can pick any server you prefer. So let me pick at random right here. So let's pick Poland server. Then you tap on it just like this, and then it will display the connect button. So you tap on connect, and when you tap on connect, the server will be chosen. And lastly, to ensure a fast and a secure connection when you are using the HTTP Injector app, you are required to tap on this start button. And when you tap on the start button, you just give this app a few seconds for it to connect, and within a few seconds the app will be connected. And as you can see right here, that the VPN is right now connected. And that's how we set up HTTP Injector with SNI settings to get a fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. Please make sure to subscribe, and let's meet again.